Pip, tally-ho, Joolz Guides here, and welcome to Istanbul, where my film about Sicily has won an award. So I just came here to pick it up, but I am clearly no expert on Istanbul. So Joolz Guides is in the hands of somebody else today. But if you want to eat well, there's no doubt that Nancy is the person to go with. Nice, Joolz Guides in his non-Joolz Guides outfit. This is my holiday wear. We're heading over to... We're going to Asia.
Yes.
We're heading over to Asia from Europe now, even though we're staying within Istanbul. I wish I could remember all the legends about this tower behind me, but there always seems to be something about a princess who's been captured by an evil Ottoman sultan and locked her away in the tower.
It's not.
It is, I'm sure it is.
The Sultan wanted to protect his daughter.
And so he locked her in the tower?
Yeah.
Well, that's a bit of nice protection for her, isn't it? Locking her up. Why are you walking so fast?
Because I'm hungry, I need to eat.
Oh, alright. So where are we then?
We are in Kadıköy.
Kadıköy?
Yes, Kadıköy.
Okay, what's so good about it here?
This is where people come to eat real local food. It's a neighborhood on the Asian side.
The Asian, but why is it called the Asian neighborhood when it's... You're the only Asian person here. There's no Asians.
It just goes by the continent. It's an Asian continent.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because we're now in Asia.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, trick to get the best fresh bread is when the bread is in the basket. You see the guy?
That one's empty though.
So when the bread's in the basket, it's the best time to buy. It's fresh. See, see.
How much? How much for your wife?
1 lira.
Oh, you bought one.
Oh, it's a hot.
Oh, hot. So we're gonna hold it. I need to. Very nice indeed. The name of the street.
Name of street. Yağlıcıkçı is the man.
What?
No, it's just so difficult to pronounce. Just say it's the Balık Street.
What street?
Balık, Fish Street.
Fish Street.
Yeah.
Okay. Balık.
Balık.
Bollock, not bollock.
Not bollocks.
Okay. Balık Street.
Balık.
Okay.
Balık in Turkish is fish.
That looks horrendous.
Is it your favorite food?
No, it's not. That looks like a tongue. Tongues. This is all caught in the Bosphorus. That fish, you reckon? All the fish?
No,
is it?
no. Only some small fishes like that one is from the Bosphorus.
Those are still alive.
Yes, they're very fresh.
That's so fresh. It's moving around. Oh wow.
And that's very delicious as well. The alien-looking fish with the little bumps.
1 lira for a mussel. I've got to do it, even though I don't like mussels.
It's mostly rice.
All right. This man's having a few.
Yeah, mostly you have 10 at least.
10? No, only one for me.
Delicious.
Really?
You see?
Daha yurt dışına götürecekler bak.
I've taken his now.
Rezil etme sakın bizi.
How am I supposed to... who do I pay? I put this here, do I? There we go. I'll just leave that there. Sorry, it's not in my mouth. What do I do? Do I use my hand? Or what do I just scoop it out or what?
How is it?
It's nice because I haven't managed to eat any mussel yet. It's all stuck in the shell. Okay.
Okay.
No, it is very
Better
nice.
than you thought, huh?
It is. No, I should trust you, really.
Okay.
Sherife. Is that thank you? No, cheers. We say cheers as the same thing as thank you.
Okay.
How do I say thank you?
Teşekkürler.
You have to slow that down.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler. That was my alarm call this morning at about 5 a.m. or something. Oh, it's pretty loud especially when you're up close.
Okay, this is a Turkish pancake, and those rolled out thin, and they stuffed with some potatoes or spinach and whatever you like.
We've got to stop and have something. What's the place called?
Butme. See?
Butme.
Spinach. You like spinach, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And I remember your favorite was spinach egg pizza.
Yeah, spinach.
Okay, I'll get the spinach and cheese for you.
The funny thing about Nancy is that she actually speaks better Turkish than she does Korean, even though she's from Korea.
Alayım.
Sarımsak.
Sarımsaklı.
Nice. Wow, wonderful, bravo. Superb.
This is my favorite Turkish food.
And what's it called? Come on,
I
talk
can
me
eat
through it
every
again.
day.
What's that one?
Gülcirleme.
Gurjileme.
Yes.
And this one?
Mantı. Mantı.
Mantı.
It's the best in Istanbul. Best place.
So I want a beer. Where are we going?
Yeah, we are going to the bar street.
Okay. It's called the Bar Street.
Yeah, it is actually called the bar street. It's the only place you're allowed to drink outside on the street. Feels like in England, eh?
Yes. Well, anything connected with beer always seems very English, doesn't it? Go on, have some. It's all right.
Just wet the lip.
Just because it looks nice from down here.
This is my favorite street food in Turkey, and you must try this.
What's it called?
It's called içli köfte. İçli köfte.
İçli köfte. All right.
Bir içli köfte lütfen.
Bir içli köfte. I've said it about 100 times. Thank you very much. Okay.
It's got some minced meat and vegetables and some nuts and.
How long has he been here?
My father 20 years. Here 20 years.
That guy's your dad?
My father.
Hey, nice. Oh, how nice.
It's
Always
hot.
warm.
It's fresh, yes. Warm, hot.
Nancy, you're not
I'll say
exactly
that.
doing your duty as a camera person very well.
Sorry.
No, it's all right. It's like a periscope. You see, look, you can see me. Sorry, can't get the star. Very nice. Oh, meat and stuff.
Sabır taşı restoran. Bye.
And his father started selling this köfte near Syrian border for 20 years and made some money. And then finally they opened a restaurant upstairs. But unfortunately there's no lift here. So, fifth floor without a lift.
And it's just above a strip club by the looks of things.
Yeah, that's another thing as well.
Oh man,
Yeah, see?
it's really nice.
Fresh Israeli köfte.
Oh, there they are.
No, it's cooling down, it's done.
Hey, this is really nice. This is a cool place.
Yeah,
I'd come here.
Exactly.
Do they serve anything other than those things? I mean,
They have a small menu, everything homemade, fresh.
I can smell food.
Yeah, I can smell food.
Hello! Hello, Oz!
Hi, hello.
Your cooking class is finished. I'm just too late.
Exactly.
You're going to take us to see the best place to pick up food for
Yeah,
cooking?
we will see a couple of shops today there. This one is called the fish market in Istanbul. It's a very old market established in the 19th century. So it changed its old character. Now there are not so many fish shops anymore, but lots of different vendors. This is my favorite pickle shop. Pickled mandarins, pickled oranges, pickled plums, or pickled lemons.
Let's go smell inside, because it's quite difficult to get across the nice smells, but it does smell amazing in there.
Smells good, huh?
Yeah.
I feel really alive when I'm here, so it smells beautiful. In Turkey, we say if you eat lots of pickles and drink lots of pickle juice, you don't have flu next winter, And here, this is the pickle juice. This is mild, this is spicy. You can mix them according how spicy you like, and we drink this like a glass of pickle juice. Do you know what these are?
Are they gherkins? I don't know.
No, that would be too easy the question.
Oh, all right.
These are
Oh,
pickled melons.
pickled melon.
Plums, they go beautiful with some cocktail in summertime. You should try these.
It's great.
Such shops, they are more than spice shops actually. These places are natural pharmacies. They are certified from the Minister of Health too, and usually they make lots of pastes, different teas, different oils for different problems. There are
Varicose veins.
Yes.
That's what I've got.
varicose veins in your leg or in your other bits, right?
No, in my leg. Not in my middle leg, in my normal leg. Yeah.
The oil of horse chestnut, so horse chestnut oil, you just rub it on your legs or on the problematic place. There is another better solution, which is called, sen gösterir misin şunu? In Turkish we call this üzerlik tohumu. This is a seed. You make the tea out of it. And he says 11 gün mü?
11 gün.
If you make it 11 days, this helps enormously for this problem, he says. But there is one small problem. It tastes terrible.
I'll stick with my course of leeches, I think. If someone wants to come and do your cooking class, how do they find you?
Oh, well, they can find us in the internet, of course, with istanbulcookingschool.com. And all they have to do is send an email.
Can they send you a letter in the post? Traditional style, old school style?
I would love that. I'm a very old school guy in this sense. I would love this, and I promise I will keep this forever.
Say our thanks, I'll see you then.
Hey, no problem. Okay, have a nice time and come back soon, okay?
See you then.
Okay.
Cheers, Nancy. Cheers, Sheriff. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to go for a walk around Istanbul, don't contact me because I'm no expert. But you can get into contact with Nancy on her blog, Eat With Me Istanbul, and also Oz. If you want a cooking class, he's your man. And his links are below as well. So, cheers and see you next time. Toodaloo.
Yazacağım da koma yapraklarını, derdumu yazacağım da koma yapraklarını, okurken